Didn't know it was over. I thought it was just a phase. And the more that you saw her, I watched you fade away. And I watched you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be showcasing a unit that has some color and it's curly. Y'all know I love curly. So we're starting with a wig cap that is not my scalp color, and I've shared with you guys previously that if you have a wig cap that isn't your color, then you can simply just apply foundation onto the wig cap or face powder, and that's what I'm doing currently. So the unit that you saw at the beginning is from Hergivenhair. It's my favorite natural hair extension company, and this unit is called Cocoa Slade Curls. Although the fall is almost over, this unit is still so perfect for any season in my opinion. I don't mind wearing color any time of year, to be honest. The shape of this unit is so fly, and it really mimics the Diva Cut unit that they have on their website. However, this one is a tighter curl. The Diva Cut was a looser Burmese curl, but this one is tighter. So it has two combs on the side, one at the bottom, standard construction, and this is a lace front, so you can part from ear to ear. And it does come with this packaging if you want to sew on an elastic band. This is what the hairline looks like. It's very natural. It is pre-plucked, and I do have a cap size small. The coloring that was done for this unit extends for about 5 inches, and then it transitions into black, as you can see. And I love how the color nicely transitions and falls over the black in the back of the unit. It looks really, really nice. This unit is in length 14, and it does come cut the way that you see it, so the shape and everything is going to be on point when it arrives. What I also love about this unit is that although it is not a full lace unit, it does have a great deal of parting space. It has 6 inches of deep parting space, so that is a lot of range in order to style this particular unit. The knots were also lightly bleached, so you don't actually have to bleach the knots on the unit. I wouldn't recommend you do that in general. The alternative method that I always show is such a good option. So I'm just turning the unit over, and I'm going to spray on my Sally Hansen airbrush spray, and my color is deep glow, but if you are lighter, then you can just go for a medium glow, but this one works for me. So I'm just going to spray it on, and then I'm going to follow it up with my foundation brush and just brush it into the lace. When you are finished spraying on the airbrush spray, turn your unit over, and you need to wipe away any excess airbrush spray that may have transferred onto the hair. So I'm just doing that, and then I'm going to cut off the lace, and then we're going to begin installing the unit. To begin the installation process, I'm just going to put the unit on, and then I'm going to begin applying my Got2b glue in the yellow bottle. This is my favorite adhesive to use because it gets tacky rather quickly, and it's rather effective, and also it comes off with water. I only leave my units on for a day, and then I take them off at night, and then I reapply in the morning, so I don't need anything that has a really strong hold. So I just apply this all over the front perimeter, and then I use my blow dryer on the cool setting, allowing the gel to get tacky, and then I begin moving the unit forward. Alright, now that we've cleaned up the extra gel around the hairline and we've used makeup wipes in order to get any extra airbrush spray that may have been left on the hairline, we are now ready to work on baby hair. If you do not desire baby hair, you can skip this step, but I do like a little baby hair for my natural unit, so I am going to add some. So I'm going to be using my razor in order to do so. So I'm just going to trim them down, and then I'm going to use mousse and some spritz in order to make sure they are laid. This next step is also optional because I feel like the curls that this unit came with look great already. However, I decided that I wanted to actually moisturize the hair and define the curls. So I'm applying my Lotta Body Wrap Lotion Mousse to the hair, and then I'm going to use my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush to define the curls. I later decided to also add a moisturizer, and I'm going to show that in a minute. If you just use the mousse on the hair and water, it will look good, but the hair may have more so of a crunchy effect, and I don't want that, so I decided to also add a cream styler, but you guys will see that in a moment.
I'm gonna try to, wherever you are, I'm gonna find you, no matter how far. I gotta move when you want it, you gotta do whatever it takes, show and prove, baby, no doubt, I'm about you. I'm gonna try, just getting.
Now that I've fully defined the curls, I am going to use my diffuser in order to dry the hair, and I will be using it on the high setting. You can simply allow the hair to air dry, but I wanted to speed up the drying process, so I'm using my diffuser. This will also help to add volume. After completing this process, I wanted my edges to look so much more juicy, so I added my jam. Less jam is the business for these units, or even for your natural hair when you're wanting to use it on your edges. So I'm just doing so around the part and also near the hairline, and then we're going to take off our clips and we're going to be finished, guys.
Take a ride with me, coasting to the middle of anywhere. Take a ride with me, I'm gonna try to the middle of anywhere. I'm on my way. Hey, I gotta go when you want it. You gotta go whatever it takes, show it.
Alright ladies, I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial on how I show you how to install and define the curls on this two-tone curly fro by Hergivenhair. Be sure to check the description box for all the deets and the link for this particular unit. I will see you all in my next tutorial. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Be sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.